Check out this truck. It's a 1961 Willys pickup. It's just completely restored from top to bottom. The detail's amazing. If you just look at the chrome, and just all amazing condition. The paint, it is completely showroom condition. The guy that restored the car is local, here right around the corner from Hollywood Motors. He did such an amazing job. It took him over 5 years to restore this truck. It is done. Look at the detail again, and the chrome and the trim, and just amazing. The wood bed. It's just super clean, immaculate truck all around. It's got a 225 V6 Buick motor. It's a 4-wheel drive Willys. All the hubs are new. Everything's new. All the wheels are done. The tires, everything's brand new. There is 1,200 miles on this car since the complete restoration. Just a beautiful car all around. Everything seems to work. It just runs and drives really nice for what it is for a 1961 Willys. It's just so cool. It is the 4-wheel drive model. Check us out. Hollywood Motors, USA.com. Look at the inside. Just, really, really nice. All done nice. Look at the wood on the handles. Very cool. Check it out on the website.